is the minivan, redefined. It's not just about space, it's about a driving experience that elevates every journey. Meet the 2026 Honda Odyssey Elite. The top-tier minivan that blends the practicality you need with the luxury you desire, straight from the experts at Car and Driver. Starting at around $53,190, this is where family transportation gets its first-class upgrade. Under the hood, the Odyssey Elite delivers smooth, capable power with its 3.5-liter V6 engine, churning out a hearty 280 horsepower. Paired with a slick 10-speed automatic transmission, Car and Driver tested the Odyssey's quick acceleration, hitting 60 miles per hour in a swift 6.4 seconds. It's genuinely quick for a minivan. The Elite trim distinguishes itself instantly with exclusive 19-inch machine-finished alloy wheels and standard power-folding, auto-dimming side mirrors, a touch of polish on a truly functional machine. Step inside, and the Elite name makes perfect sense. Up front, both the driver and passenger are treated to heated and ventilated front seats, a feature reserved for this top trim. Plus, the heated, leather-wrapped steering wheel ensures comfort no matter the season. Tech is paramount. The Elite includes the Honda satellite-linked navigation system, wireless phone charging, and both cabin watch and cabin talk. That means you can see every passenger and speak to them easily through the vehicle speakers and headphones. The chaos of the third row is now entirely manageable. For the family, the centerpiece is the rear entertainment system with its massive 12.8-inch high-resolution screen. The whole cabin is a concert hall thanks to the 500-watt premium audio system with 11 speakers, including a subwoofer. But it's not just about the sound coming in. The Elite also features acoustic glass on the windshield, front, and sliding doors to keep road noise out. Combined with the versatile Magic Slide second-row seats, the Odyssey Elite transforms every mile into a peaceful premium sanctuary. The 2026 Honda Odyssey Elite takes the winning minivan formula quick, loaded with tech, and flexible, and wraps it in luxurious, exclusive features. It's not just a vehicle, it's an amenity. Ready to upgrade your family's travel experience? Check out the full review and specs on the 2026 Honda Odyssey Elite at this channel.